Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to work with the pagination for our search, and also in this video I want to save the data that we're getting from the server. We're going to save it in our database, and for that reason we're going to create a models for the movie. And also I want to create a model for categories and the actors, right? So yeah, if we make a little request in the database, in the server, the API, sorry, we can see all these fields, title, year, etc., right? They're not the same because this is a movie, right? But if you actually, let's see, let's put this is a series. As you can see, the fields are less and it's very different, right? So this is going to create a little this is going to be a little hard to make our models, but we're going to work on that. Okay, it's interesting. So the first thing that we're going to do, actually, we're going to create a new app. It's the Django, and Django admin star app, and let's name it actor. It's that app actor. Good. And then in actor, we're going to create our models. Yeah. So we call actor models dot model, right? And then here it will take a name, model dot char field, put a mask length of 70, or I think that's enough. It's going to be unique. Let's put true. A picture, of course. We cannot get the pictures right now, but let's just create it just in case we find a way to do it. A slug. Slug field. This cannot be null or empty. Okay, blank, false. Yeah, I think this with the null it should be fine. Unique, it has to be unique. Okay, and also, so we're going to basically show all the movies that this actor has been in or known for. So let's create movies and models that many to many field. And then here we're going to add the field, the model this way. Because why? Because it will create a recursive importation, because in the movie model we're going to have the actor. We have done this before, and this is the best way to do it right now. So yeah, let's create a method here for the self, and then this will return name. And also let's override this let's override the save method. So if we don't have, if we don't get the slug, so we can create it, right? Just put arts and k arts right there, right? And then if not self slug, if we don't get the slug, we need to import from Django utils oops, test import slugify. So if we don't have a slug, so we're just creating like this way, self slug this field be equal to slugify. This method is going to help us to create a slug from our name, right? So self name. Yep. And then oops, let's return this one dot save, and then art. Oops. Yep. Just like that. Now let's jump to our like movie models. Oops. What is that? Oh, I closed it. So yeah, here. So in our movie models, we're going to start just pretty much doing creating the models for our movies. Let's start with the categories or like models that model, and then it will be, let's create a title, char field. Let's put a length of 25, I guess. Same thing, slug models that, oh, what is this? Models that char field, models that, oops, slug field. This cannot be null, and this has to be unique. Let's go to actor and let's copy this one. Let's copy all of this one because we're going to do the same thing, just in case we don't have a slug. Okay. Yeah. So basically, oops. It's here. Let me see. I think I messed up the indentations. Let me just make sure it's not messed up. Right. Okay. Yeah. And this is the title. We're getting from the title, and here title. So if you make a little search, a quick search, like in oops, here I guess. Let's go here. You can see like the categories are like separated by comma and stuff, and it kind of like gets like a little space here, as you can see. We need to make sure that when we get the these titles, we don't get like a space. So yeah, always check your data that you're getting, right? Just for that reason. But first we need to self-title will be, let's replace the empty space with no space, just in case we get an empty space, right? Because actually we don't need we don't need like space, right? But yeah, just to like make sure that we're getting everything good. Yeah. Now let's create another model. It will be rating. These ratings is for the these ratings here. Models that model, and let's put source. I'm trying to I will try to like name the models as we're getting them from the server, from the API, but these ones are creating this one, so I'm just put it like underscore, right? Models that char field, mask length of like 50, and then the rating. You just put like short field, right? Don't put it too hard on you. And then yeah, source. Return source. We have our rating, and now the exciting part, we're going to create the model for the movie. Models.model. The first one's title. Okay, just try to like put it as, I mean, the same as here as in the API. Okay, title models.char field. Let's put a mask length of, it's kind of impossible to get 200, but just in case you don't know. Year, I think it's this. Yeah, year. Let me just copy all of these ones. I don't want to, yeah. And then 25. Let's put like blank through, because we don't know if there is like a old movie that doesn't have to, they don't know. Yeah, let's just try to, yeah. Let's copy that one. Paste it here. Next one, rate it. Let's put 10. Blank true. Next one, released. Oops. Same thing, 25, like that. And then runtime. Same thing. And then there is the like category as well, like germs. Yep. And here it will be many to many what? This one. So oops, here. Good. And this can be blank, okay, not necessarily. And what else? Let's copy this one for director. This is going to be director. Director mask length of 100, and then director, writer, just in case we have like multiples writer, I don't know. And then the actors, and we are getting the actors from yeah, like actors, too many fields, and let's import, oops, here, from actor dot models import actor. That's how we name it, yeah. Yes. Actor. It's pretty impossible, but we don't know. Let's just put it like plot. Plot is like the little like description about the movie, whatever. So char field. Let's put here like 900 just in case. And yes, this can be empty. And then language. Oops. We got the language. Then country. Country. We got the country. Then awards. Put 250 here. Awards. And then word poster. This is going to be a image field. Good. Oops. And so like the poster will be upload to, and then put in like movies folder, right? So we're going to save the URL, the poster URL, like this URL too. You'll see why. Models, that this is a URL field, right? And yeah, this can be empty. Now, like the ratings, models, that same thing, many to many field. Actually put it here. Many to many field. Rating blank true. Ratings, and then like meta score. Meta score. Let's put like it's like a load thing. Let's put 5, right? Meta score, and you can like also like copy like these things, so you don't like, yeah, let's just copy, boom. IMDB rating, models, that char field. Let's put mass length of what? Let's put 5. True. IMDB both models, that char field. Mass length, or like 100. Oops. This is very important. This is the ID of the movie that we're getting for IMDb. If you copy this ID and like put it in here, you will get the movie. So yeah, models, that char field, and then I think it's pretty possible it will be more than 100. So. And then type. This is the type of like a series or like a movie. Let's just put like 10. IMDb both. Let me see. IMDb both. IMDb ID, type, and now DVD. So remember, just put the same thing, like the DVD. Like 25. Box office. Let's copy this one so we don't. Char field. Let's put a mass length, or like what? Like just put 25. This is basically like how much they earn. Like yeah. Now production. Models, that. Oops. 25. No, it's put 100. And then website mass length, or like 100 or 150. Blank 2. So for the series, there are like more fields. Let's put like, you see like total seasons. We don't get that one in movie, so let's just copy this one, just in case we're saving a series. You will see chart field. I don't think this will be more than 3, but who knows? Okay, I think that we got our movie model. Let's create a string function here. This will return. Oops. The title. Okay. So what we're going to do now, we're going to override we're going to override the save method, but we're going to do something really interesting. We're going to save the picture that we're getting from the poster URL. We're going to download the picture and like save it in our server. So when we search, when we like make a search and we're getting the data from our server, we can get the picture too. But right now we're just going to focus in the pagination. Sorry. Yeah, let's go here, create a new view called pagination. This would take the request and query and a page number, right? Just like that. So let's just copy this one and then paste it here, the URL. So if you go to the documentation, where is it here? Okay. If you go to the documentation, we have like a page parameter here, and we can put, for example, let's say, like, let me change that to S, so we can put, let's say Batman, right? This is the basically like the first page when we search Batman, but there are more. So if you put here, oh crap, and page equal, let's say you see 2, this is the page 2, and you can see like more Batmans are loading. So yeah, actually we can just copy this, but let's go here. Yeah, this is our URL, and then search query, and here we plus, and we can put and page equal, let's delete that, and plus what, the page number, right? Probably, let's just convert that to string so we can like concatenate that here. So yeah, like page number, right? That's how we build our URL. Query, search, our API key, etc. So we can just copy this here, and then paste it here. Oops. Yes. Yes. Oops, like that. So when we change page, we want to like increment the page numbers, right? So it will be in string now, so I just put integer just in case. Page number +1, right? Just like that. And basically let's just copy. Oh, I can just copy the whole thing, right? Boop. And I paste it here. Yes. Oops. Search results, and let's copy this one. Yeah. Oh, we need to pass the page number, right? Page number. Save that. Probably getting an error here. We need to save this. Let's save all of these. Okay, let's run the server just to see if it's working. Oh, we need to add our new apps to the split settings, and then actor save. What about now? Are you? Yes, we know. Oh, we need to install Pillow because we're using pip install Pillow. Oh, I think let me see. I think I installed like a wrong version of Pillow. Oh, it's working. Okay. Okay, here is our thing. Let's go now to our search results, and then here in our like button to like load more, we're going to basically like call. Oh, we need to actually wait. I forgot something. We forgot to add the pagination to the URL, so we need to do that first. Let's import pagination, and then path, and then search, I guess. Yeah. Search, and then here would be the query, and then page, and then here will be the page number. That's how it's going to be our URL. Pagination, pagination, then name, pagination. This is our custom pagination, right? Very awful. But yeah, our URL is there. So basically, like here, let's put like that. Oops. And then URL, and the name of the URL in this case is yes, in this case pagination. Pagination. This is the name of our URL, and we need to pass the query and the page number. We need to pass those. Okay, let's save that. Let's save this, and yeah, this should work. Let's see. Ooh, res pagination not found. Partner try. Because let me see, search. Oh, yes, we have an error here. Yeah, we need to. Let's save that. Let's go back. Batman. Query page. Are we passing the? Let me see it. Let's go to search result. Oh, yes, I see. The problem is that we are not passing the page number here in our index, and we basically have to like set like a default value, basically. So let's put page number, and let's put 1. Let's save that. Let's try again. Let's refresh. Let's put Batman, and here we go. Batman's loading. And let's go to page 2. And yeah, page. Oh, this is the page 1. Page 2. And then we can go to the page 3. And yeah, page 4. Page 5. This is all the Batman's movies. And as you can see, very interesting, right? Ooh, the poster is awful. But yeah, and as you can see, it's like incrementing. Like here, we can go back. But yeah. It's working. So in the next video, we're going to work with the movie details. So when we click on the movies, we were going to show all the details from that movie and like save it to our server, etc. Stop it here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.